Hello everyone, this is Vignesh, working as an assistant professor in Department of Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering in SNS College of Technology. So in this lecture series we are discussing about the basics of mechanical and civil engineering. That too we are discussing about the construction materials that comes under the basics of civil engineering. So we in my previous video we discussed about the construction materials like brick and cement, and in this video, sorry, bricks and stones, and in this video we are going to discuss about the cement. Okay, so cement is obtained by burning the mixture of calcareous and argillaceous materials at a very high temperature. So the consigned product is known as clinker. So a small quantity of gypsum is added to the clinker and is pulverized into very fine powder known as cement. So on setting, cement resembles a variety of sandstone in found Portland in England, and it is therefore called as a Portland cement. So cement is used as a binding purposes. So where the bricks are arranged in a row-wise manner, and those bricks, it should be pasted, right? So that pasted material will be called as a cement. So how cement is formed, like by using quarry. So the limestone has been excavated and that went into the pulverizer. Okay, once the quarrying of limestone has been done, it's sent to the pulverizer where those big rocks will be converted into a fine powder. So it's like crusher will be there, and in the secondary crusher will be there. So by these two crushers, automatically the larger limestone rocks will be converted into as a fine grounded powder. So in the next process, those grounded or crushed powder will send to the proportioning equipment, where some amount of sand and clay will be mixed in the limestone, so in a certain proportion, and then it will be grinded and mixed, and it goes to the preheater tower. So in the preheater tower, what will happen, those mixture of sand, clay and limestone will be heated up, and it will be mixed together, and it will be burnt in the kiln. And once it burns, it goes to the clinker cooler, so automatically it cool downs the temperature. And once it is done, then the cycle will move to the uh, another proportioning equipment where gypsum is added in the last. So once the gypsum is added, it will be the mixture of gypsum, sand, clay and limestone, it is called as a cement. And once gypsum is added, it goes to the storage area, and after that it is goes to the shipping. So cement, it's a crucial element for construction materials. And so there are a lot of types of cements are there. One is rapid hardening cement. It is similar to Portland cement, and it develops a strength rapidly. So this cement is used where high strength is required at initial stages. And quick setting cements, it sets down cool down or sets down very quickly. It is due to reduction of gypsum content in normal Portland cement. It is used for underwater construction. So there are a lot of types are there, but these types will be based on the content of the gypsum. So according to the gypsum's ratio, this rapid hardening or quick setting cements will be determined. So we have a lot of applications are there where the lot of time is required for hardening, and whereas in underwater construction we require a quick setting. So this is the difference. And colored cements, it contains 5 to 10% of pigment with normal Portland cement for coloring. So this is used for aesthetic purposes. And white cement, we all know that it is in white in color and it has same properties of Portland cement. It is used for architectural purposes and for manufacturing colored concrete, flooring tiles, etc. And the another type is masonry cement. It has great plasticity, workability and water resistivity, and it is used for masonry constructions in making mortars and plasters. So once the cement is mixed with water and some quantity of sand, then it will be called as cement mortar. So it's like a binding agent for construction. And qualities, if you say, the colors should be uniform, and cement should be cool when felt with hand. Okay, if you take it in the hand, it should be, you should have to feel cool. So that is a good cement. So if a small quantity of cement is thrown in a bucket of water, it should sink. So it should not, like normal powder should not be floated out, it should sink. So cement should be free from lumps, because once that lump is formed, then the quality will be reduced. So it should be free from lumps, and the initial setting time should not be less than 30 minutes, and the final setting time should be around 10 hours. So once you haven't give the proper setting time, means then the cracks of the wall can be uh, uh, will be formed. Okay, so once the cracks are formed, then automatically the wall loses its strength. So this is the most important thing. The initial setting time should not be less than 30 minutes, and the final setting time should be around 10 hours. So it is a property, or it is the duty of a civil engineer to make sure this would be achieved for a construction. So I think this is all about the cement. And if you have any doubt, these are the references that I have made from the book of basic civil and mechanical engineering by KB Natarajan and G Shanmuham. And if you have any doubt, please do post it in the comments. I'll try to answer it. And this is Vignesh. Thank you for watching.